There's so many small parts in an engine, but there's one that's really, really important. We're going to talk about that and change that out today.
This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
Hey everyone, I am Josh with Motorcycle and Powersports News, and one of those really small but really important parts is the spark plug. Now, spark plugs, because of what they do, actually are a wear item. Whether the tip wears, whether the electrode wears, they eventually wear out. When you consider the amount of voltage that crosses over here and how many times, plus it's in an explosive environment. Today, we're going to swap it out on this DRZ 400, and it's really simple. We're going to remove the radiator shrouds, we're going to remove the seat, we're going to pick up the fuel tank, we're going to swap the plug out. Before taking the fuel tank off, obvious, but still, make sure that you shut the fuel off. Go ahead and disconnect the fuel line. Sometimes it helps to give it a little bit of a twist, then pull straight up. So when I pull the old one out and compare it with the new one, well, it's definitely got some miles on it. That being said, we've actually got a fair bit of whiteness here and a little bit still on the electrode. So this may be a hair lean. Well, it's got a few other little things done to it, like the snorkel's been removed, so it stands to reason. We may want to do a jetting change while we're at it. But really glad we're in here to change a spark plug, because hopefully out on the trail, this thing isn't going to be the thing that strands me. Let's go ahead and put the new one in now. The last step happens to be my favorite. Start it up, take it for a test drive. Let's see what that new spark plug did for us.